In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Shopify store settings, specifically how to cancel your current plan. Whether you're considering downsizing or simply taking a break from selling online, this process can be a bit daunting, but I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's begin by heading to your Shopify store. You'll want to log in and access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in the admin dashboard, you'll find yourself on what they call the home page. It's the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your store, from products to analytics. But for today, we need to focus on the settings. Now, take a look over to the bottom left corner of the page. Here you'll see the Settings option. It might appear a bit inconspicuous, but it holds all the customization tools and configurations necessary to manage the backbone of your store. By clicking this button, you open a new world of options where you can tweak details to align perfectly with your business needs. Continuing our journey, within the Settings page, locate and click on the Plan section. This segment of your settings interface is all about your subscription details. Here you can see information concerning your current plan, when it renews, and other relevant billing details. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section, especially if you're planning any changes to your account. At this stage, you should be on the Plan Details page. You'll want to focus your attention on the specific action you're here for: canceling your plan. Look for the Cancel Plan button and click it. Shopify will then guide you through the cancellation process. They might ask you a few questions regarding why you're choosing to cancel. Your feedback is valuable, but remember, if this is a final decision or part of a temporary hiatus, you can always adjust responses to fit your reasoning. After confirming the cancellation once, you will probably be prompted to confirm your desire to cancel again. This step is designed to give you a moment to reconsider or ensure that the action isn't accidental. So when you see the Cancel Plan button for the second time, you'll want to click it to solidify your decision. And there you go, your Shopify plan is now canceled. Remember that after canceling, your store will be paused or revert to the free plan, depending on your selection. Keep in mind that you won't lose access to your store instantly, allowing you some time to retrieve data if needed. Hopefully, this guide made the process more approachable and clear. If you need to reconnect later, Shopify makes it easy to restart your plan whenever you're ready. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your future endeavors.